Kid Logan, 16 years old, and is beating brain tumor. Rally Kid Nolan, 10 years old, and is fighting brain tumor. Rally Kid Rachel, 9 years old, and is beating leukemia. Rally Kid Maddie, 14 years old, and is surviving leukemia. Rally Kid Anaya is 9 years old and beating leukemia. Rally Kid Ella, 7 years old, and is fighting leukemia. Rally Kid Jake, 4 years old, and is beating solid tumor. Rally Kid Garrett, 13 years old, and is fighting brain tumor. Rally Kid Ricky earned his angel wings and is represented by his sister, Erin.
Mama, can you find the paper?
5 years old, and fighting Rachel, ladies and gentlemen, the Rally Kids for the first big pass. And now, for the college triple threats, the Rally Kids. Rally Kid Brandon, 12 years old and beating brain tumor. Rally Kid Aiden, 5 years old and fighting a solid tumor. Rally Kid Spencer, 13 years old and fighting brain tumor. Rally Kid Dick, 16 years old and is beating brain tumor. Rally Kid Mary, 12 years old and is beating solid tumor. Rally Kid David, a.k.a. Bubba, 19 years old and is beating lymphoma. Rally Kid Millie, 8 years old and is fighting solid tumor. Rally Kid Courtney, 15 years old and is beating brain tumor. Rally Kid